So if you're always feeling tired, or maybe you are having fever sign, feeling feverish, you've tried sort of medications, and the same thing still keep on reoccurring, please come closer. And if you are not yet following, please kindly click on the subscribe button. Follow me for more valuable content. Okay, so now in this video I'm going to be showing you two natural stuffs that you can use, two natural stuffs you can use that will help you to forget anything that has to do with fever sign or malaria or even stress. Let me just put it that way. Okay, so these are the two items you need. I have bitter cola here, and also I have dates. Everybody knows date, dabino. You know dabino. Hausa people, these things that Hausa people used to sell. Dabino, dates. You know dates now. That sweet and stuff. So this is it in my hand. I'm holding date here, and this is bitter cola. So all you just have to do, if you have tried all sorts of medications and the same thing keep on reoccurring, just try and get date and bitter cola. All right, so all you just have to do, first thing in the morning, you will take one date, one and bitter cola, peel the two. All right, all you just have to do, peel the two, chew the two. All right, chew the two together, just like the normal way we used to chew dates. Just chew bitter cola and the date, chew the two at a go. All right, you are definitely going to see a difference. All right, so and after that, in the night as well, before you go to bed, repeat the same thing. Repeat the same thing. Bitter cola is very good. It's a must have for everyone at home. So bitter cola, it helps in a lot of. Bitter cola is very good for the health. It fights anxiety. It enhances mood and a lot of things. You can just go to Google and Google about bitter cola, and as well, you know what, a lot of health benefit that date has. Okay, just try these two combination and you are going to see a lot of changes in your health. All right, try the two. Okay, and if there is any video that any content that you want me to come up with, please don't forget to leave your question in the comment section. I'm definitely going to research about it and come up with a video that will be of benefit to each and every one of us. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. See you next time.